if you're in your 20s, your 30s, 40 and above, you should consider including this oil in your skincare routine. Do you want to have a healthy, beautiful, glowing and radiant skin? If any of this is you, then stick around to the end of this video because I have something for you. So in this video, I will be listing out some best body oil for a beautiful, radiant and glowing skin. A comprehensive skincare routine is a combination of a cleanser, toner, moisturizer, cream and body oil. What is even a body oil? A body oil is a lipid that lubricates the skin, softens your skin and over time brighten or heal your skin. If you want to have a glowing, even skin, there's some ingredients you have to look out for in your oil product, which is jojoba oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, safflower oil and grapeseed oil. These oils are very good ingredients which will help glow your skin, even out your skin tone, heal your skin, moisturize your skin, repair your skin and give you a glowing, beautiful skin. How do you get effective results with your body oil? If your skin is damp, you can use your oil and moisturize your body with your body oil immediately after shower. But if your body is not damp, you could use your body lotion first, then go in with your body oil to lock in moisture on your skin. Then you can use your treatment oil directly on your skin, which can be the bio oil. So the first body oil on my list is the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This is the oil I'm currently using right now. This oil comes in 200 ml. This oil helps to replenish your skin, heal your skin. It will help to clear dull and dry skin, give you a radiant, glowing skin. This particular oil will make your skin soft, it will smoothen your skin, it will glow your skin, it will replenish your skin and it will revitalize your skin. This particular oil comes in a gel-like form, as you can see, and it absorbs easily into the skin. This is how the oil looks in here. Drop please. Are you seeing? It takes time to, okay? It's like a gel-like form, you can see. And it absorbs, look at the glow. Just look at the glow. Just look at the glow of this oil. It glows your skin and it absorbs into the skin. You see? The same. See? It glows the skin. It's so soft on the skin, it absorbs into the skin easily. It's made with pure cocoa butter. The scent is amazing. It has this nice, lovely chocolate kind of scent. It's so nice. The scent is amazing. This body oil is very nice. And if you have a very dry skin, if you have a flaky skin, then you should get this particular body oil. If you want to brighten your skin, you can as well use the Vaseline Daily Brightening Lotion alongside with this Vaseline body oil, and you will brighten your skin and glow your skin. So if you have a dry skin, if you want something that will glow your skin and at the same time give you a beautiful glowing skin, then you should get this body oil. You can use this body oil with any lotion and you're sure to get a very good desired result. Okay, am I getting this oil again? Yes, yes. This oil is very nice. This oil is perfect for dry and dull skin. So if you have a dry skin and if you have a dull skin, then you should go for this particular Vaseline body oil. So guys, if you've gotten to this point, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So the next oil on my list is a Neutrogena body oil. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This Neutrogena oil is lightweight, it absorbs easily into the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it pampers your skin. The key ingredient in this Neutrogena oil is the sesame oil. This oil is very nice for all skin type except if you have a sensitive skin. If you have a sensitive skin, you can go for their non-fragrance range, which is perfect for sensitive skin. This Neutrogena oil is very nice on the skin. It absorbs easily into the skin. It nourishes your skin. It moisturizes your skin. It softens your skin, and it hydrates your skin. If you want to get the maximum benefit of this oil, I recommend you pair it with the Neutrogena lotion. How do you use this oil? You apply it directly on a damp skin immediately after your shower, or you can apply it after you apply your lotion. Okay, so if you're considering a oil that is lightweight, that would nourish your skin, soften your skin, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, then you should go for this Neutrogena body oil. Okay, so the next oil on my list is the Aveeno moisturizing body oil. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This particular oil will help even out your skin, soften your skin, nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, and glow your skin. This oil is perfect for sensitive and dry skin. This oil is lightweight, it absorbs easily into the skin. The key ingredients in this particular oil is oat oil and jojoba oil, which are great ingredients that will help even out your skin to moisturize your skin, nourish your skin. How do you use this particular body oil? You use it directly immediately after shower, or you can use it after your moisturizer or your body lotion. Then you go ahead with your body oil. This oil smells good, it's not greasy, it doesn't transfer from your skin to your clothes or to your bedding. So if you want a body oil that would even out your skin to moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and glow your skin, then you should consider this Aveeno moisturizing body oil. Okay, the next oil on my list is a Dr. Teal moisturizing bath and body oil. From the name, you should know that you can use this oil directly immediately after your shower. This body oil, it softens your skin, it moisturizes your skin, it smoothens your skin, and it hydrates and glow your skin. The key ingredient in this particular body oil is jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera, which will help moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and glow your skin. This Dr. Teal's oil is lightweight, it absorbs into the skin easily, and it is very good oil. So if you're thinking of a very good oil that you can use for your skin, that will glow your skin, that would hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, and give you a beautiful glowing skin, then you should consider this Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath and body oil. Okay, so the next body oil on my list is a Palmer's Cocoa Butter Therapy Body Oil. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This oil will help soften your skin, nourish your skin, and hydrate and glow your skin. It contains sesame oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, argan oil, vitamin E, cocoa butter, which will help nourish your skin, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, soften your skin, and glow your skin. This oil is lightweight, it doesn't transfer from your skin to your clothes or your bedding. This oil is highly scented and is very good if you want to have a glowing skin. If you want the effectiveness of this particular oil, you can pair it with a Palmer's body lotion. This oil is perfect for dry skin. If you have a dry skin, you should consider getting this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Therapy oil. This oil gives 24-hour moisturization. It softens your skin, it hydrates your skin, it makes your skin supple and beautiful. So if you're considering getting an oil, you should consider getting this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Therapy Body Oil. Okay, so the next oil on my list is the Disaar Vitamin C Body Oil. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This particular oil is lightweight, it contains vitamin C, it helps hydrate your skin, brighten your skin when you continuously use this particular oil. As you can see, I've used 2 bottles. This is my second bottle already. So this particular oil is very nice. It brightens the skin, it softens the skin, it hydrates the skin. And from here they said this product is enriched with natural extract that rapidly infiltrates into skin, moisturize, whiten, replenish, release dry skin. It lightens fine lines and spots, easily get absorbed without oiliness, and can effectively fix multiple skin problems. This particular oil is very nice. Basically, I would say this oil will just brighten your skin and nourish and moisturize and soften your skin. It will hydrate your skin. I love this oil very much. This oil is an oil and it's budget friendly. I got this oil for like 3,000 naira. This oil is very nice. It's just that the container is pretty small, but the oil is very nice. It's okay. Don't expect too much from this oil, but one thing I know is that this oil is very nice. It moisturizes your skin, it softens your skin, it glow your skin, and it also brightens your skin. That's when you continuously use them. When you want these body oils that I've mentioned to brighten your skin, you need to use them continuously. Continuous use of the oils of this oil which I've mentioned will brighten your skin and heal your skin. Don't use a particular, maybe one bottle of an oil and you expect all the magic to happen. You have to use it continuously. Skincare is all about consistency. So be consistent with this body oil and you're going to get an even glowing and radiant skin. So this oil is one oil I would recommend if you're on a budget or you want to have a beautiful glowing skin. This particular oil comes in different variants. It has the one that come with different ingredients, the one with coconut oil, different ingredients. Just use the one that tackles your particular skin need. So this oil is one oil I would recommend. It's very nice. Like, it's amazing. I will get more of this oil because I really enjoy using this particular oil. Okay, this oil comes in 100 ml, which is pretty small, but it still does the job. So this oil is one oil I would keep repurchasing. Even when I get other oil, I will still repurchase this particular oil. It's very nice. It's very nice. So if you're thinking of an oil you should get, if you're on a budget, or if you just want something you just use that to still do the job, you think you should get this body oil. Okay, so the next oil on my list is the Disaar argan oil efficient moisturizing body oil. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This particular oil helps to fade stretch mark, it helps to repair your skin, it softens your skin, it moisturizes your skin, it heals your skin, but with when you continuously use this particular oil. Any skincare product at all requires consistency. Don't expect too much from any skincare product except if you use it over time. This oil is very nice. It's more like a repairing oil. It will help glow your skin. It will help strengthen your skin barrier. This Disaar argan oil is one oil I will recommend for you, and it contains argan oil. Argan oil is a very powerful ingredient which will help nourish your skin and repair your skin, and it also helps to moisturize your skin. This particular oil comes in 200 ml, which is relatively a good size. Well, it will last you for some time. But if you continuously use it, you will get all the benefits of this oil. If you want the effectiveness of this oil, then go ahead to use it with the Disaar body lotion, or you can use it with a very good moisturizing body lotion. Okay, so the next oil on my list is the bio oil. I'll put out the picture on the screen. This oil is more like a repair oil. This oil helps to fade scars and it helps to also fade stretch marks. This particular oil will help with fine lines and wrinkles. It softens the skin, it repairs your skin, it heals your skin, and it helps with skin elasticity. This oil is very good if you have any skin issue. Basically, this oil will just help to even out your skin tone. It will help to repair your skin and it will help to firm your skin. If you want something that will repair your skin, that will firm your skin, that will even out your skin tone, that will help with an aging benefit, then you should consider this bio oil. This is basically a treatment oil, so it treats your skin with time. It helps to remove scar, it helps to remove stretch mark, and it also helps to remove dark spots and fine lines and wrinkles. If you're in your 20s, your 30s, 40 and above, you should consider including this bio oil in your skincare routine. The key ingredients in this bio oil is vitamin A, vitamin E, it has lavender oil, it has rosemary, and it has coriander oil in its mixture, which will help heal your skin, firm your skin, nourish your skin, and also repair your skin. So if you are thinking of a good oil to include in your skincare routine, then you should consider getting this bio oil. The next oil on my list is the Vidgold turmeric body oil. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This oil, it comes in 1000 ml. It helps to soften your skin, it nourishes your skin, it brightens your skin, it hydrates your skin, it smoothens your skin, and this oil helps to even out your skin too. This oil is a moisturizing and brightening oil. When you continuously use it, it brightens your skin. But don't expect too much from this oil. This Vidgo turmeric oil will help to soften your skin, smoothen your skin, nourish your skin, hydrate your skin, and also help to brighten and even out your skin tone. But when you continuously use it, this Vidgold turmeric body oil is very nice. Vidgold body oil comes in different variants. It has different variants. It has the arbuthnot, it has the snail. It also have this particular Vidgold kojic acid oil. This particular oil is also very nice. Basically, they are very good. It helps to like soften your skin, it moisturizes your skin. With time, it brightens your skin. But don't expect too much from all this oil. But they are very nice oil. It's the oil I would recommend you buy if you want to have a beautiful, glowing and even skin. Okay, so this Vidgold turmeric oil is very nice. You know the effect of turmeric in any product. It will help to brighten your skin, and it will also help to nourish your skin. And the good part about this particular turmeric oil, it comes in 1000 ml, which will last you for like some months, unlike other brands that the oil are just like 200 ml. So this one is very good. It is big enough for you to use for some time. So considering a good oil, I think the Vidgo turmeric oil is very nice. I've used this one and I love this particular one, and that turmeric is also very nice. So you could try it out. See, I've recommended a lot of body oil in this video, so you should just pick one that suits your skin and the one that you like, that will be perfect for your skin type. Okay, so guys, have you used any of this body oil which I've recommended in this video? If you have, please do well to share your experience with us in the comment section. Which of this oil is your favorite? So if you find this video helpful, do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more skincare and healthy tips. Okay, if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.